Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today Gothia just got home from the grocery store. She's getting ready for the feast for Dolls Gone Goth that I host each month with Dory's Dollies. This month we asked you to do feast, and I set this up to remind you that this is empty. Well, okay, she still has her Kleenex and all the other tweezers and lipstick and mascara, but as far as cash, that poor thing is empty. If you are invited to a Thanksgiving dinner this year, be sure and help the host. They spent a lot of money so that you could come eat at their house. Thank you for watching. Dory, thank you so much for this month after month of fun. Don't forget, in 2 days, on the 18th, is Hi Barbie, and we are also doing Feast for that challenge too. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
No, I want something.
Me too.
That turkey.
That turkey with the stockings, booties.